Hello everyone, I am Monica. In this video, I am going to explain irony, a poetic device. Irony is the use of words to convey a meaning that is opposite of its literal meaning. So, the use of words that is opposite of its literal meaning is irony. There are three types of irony: verbal irony, situational irony, and dramatic irony. When a speaker's intention is the opposite of what he or she is saying, that is verbal irony. For example, stepping out into a hurricane, a person is saying that what nice weather we are having. Weather is very disturbing, and that person is saying that what nice weather. So, this is verbal irony. In this pic, you can see the messy room of this child. So, looking at the son's messy room, mom says, "Wow, you could win an award for cleanliness." It's clear that mom's intention is not the same. So, this is verbal irony. Second is situational irony. When the actual result of a situation is totally different from what you would expect the result to be. For example, a fire station burns down. It is totally unexpected thing because the function of a fire station is to stop the fire. And it is unexpected that a fire station burns down, so it creates situational irony. Two people want a divorce, but during the proceedings, they discover they still love each other and get back together. This is the opposite outcome of what happens in a typical divorce, which makes the situation ironic. Another example of situational irony: I am a pilot, but I am afraid of heights. The situation is ironic because airplane pilots spend most of their time at work high in the air. So it creates situational irony. One more example of situational irony is the police station gets robbed. Third is dramatic irony. When reader or audience knows a particular information that a character in a play, movie or novel does not. For example, don't go in there. Spectators is saying this thing because they know the situation. Don't go in there. It means the reader or the viewer knows the situation but not the character. So this is dramatic irony. In Romeo and Juliet, the audience knows that Juliet is only asleep, not dead, but Romeo does not, and he kills himself. So this is dramatic irony. One more example: girl in a horror film hides in a closet where the killer just went. The audience knows the killer is there, but the girl does not. So this is dramatic irony. So when a speaker's intention is the opposite of what he or she is saying, that is verbal irony. Verbal irony creates comedy. When the actual result of a situation is totally different from what you would expect the result to be, that is situational irony. Situational irony creates comedy as well as tragedy. And when the reader or audience knows a particular information that a character in a play, movie or novel does not, that is dramatic irony, and it always tragic. So, the use of words to convey a meaning that is opposite of its literal meaning is irony. And irony makes a story captivating and interesting. Thank you.